Let me show you how you can easily elevate your food flavors using only one simple ingredient that you can make at home. Now, this is not cosmic dust. This is one ingredient that anyone anywhere can make in the comfort of their homes. And no, guys, the store-bought one cannot be compared to this. This is not what you should buy in the shops. You can make this once every quarter. I make this in my home and it lasts me for about 3 months, changes the flavor of my food, especially because I don't use MSG. Yes, guys, it's no secret, but onion powder. Using the red onions gives me the best flavor, but you can also use the brown or the white or whatever onions you have available, but make it at home and thank me later. Trust me, I have tried organic onion powder and nothing compares to the one I make at home. Now, I love using the food processor because it increases the surface area, makes the job really fast, but you don't need a food processor to chop it up. You can use a food slicer or even your hands. Just make sure as thinly as possible because onions are highly full of moisture and it takes a long time to dehydrate. In my air fryer, this dehydrated in about 4 hours, which is really the quickest. You can also do this in your oven. You can do this even in a dehydrator. Once it's really dry and crispy, blend this into powder and I store mine in my freezer. Now, guys, you can use this for any cooking. Trust me when I say this. First time I started making this a few years ago, my husband was like, "Are you sure there's nothing else added to this?" So if you're doing MSG free cooking, try onion powder. And if you're one of those people that do not like using onions, onion powder to the rescue. Thank you and bye.